Hi guys, Dominic here with IRPINO Real Estate. We're back in December to feature yet another local business in the Uptown Buena Park neighborhood. We're here on Argyle Street, surrounded by so many awesome businesses. Can you guys smell that? Oh boy, well you will in a second, because we are going to take you to one of the oldest bakeries, been around for almost 40 years, family owned and operated, and we're gonna show you an amazing spot right in the heart of our neighborhood. So ladies and gentlemen, follow me. Without further ado, welcome to La Patisserie P, and the P stands for Passion for Pastries. Hi guys, Dominic here. We're here with Peter Yuen, the owner and head pastry chef at La Patisserie P. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
So Peter, can you tell us a little bit about your business?
Well, I'm running a second generation bakery here on Argyle Street, and I'm very proud that I took over from my father in 2004. And I've been doing a lot of baking since.
Awesome. Thanks for sharing. So Peter, this is my first time here and your bakery is fantastic. It smells amazing. Can't wait to get some goodies before we go. Question for you though, what is your favorite item or items people should try their first time here?
Well, there's actually two of them. My first favorite one is the Chinese barbecue pork bun. The second one is my famous croissant, which I get to do traveling around the world. Everybody want to listen and learn from me. So I like that those two are my favorite.
I hear the croissants sell out every day.
Oh, yes, every day.
Every day?
Every day, yes.
Wow, thank you. So Peter, your family and your business has been in the neighborhood since 1982. It's a long time. So glad you're here. What made you choose this neighborhood?
Well, more of my dad chose the neighborhood because it's a Southeast Asian area where some people could find their roots in the area with a lot of Vietnamese and Southeast Asian Chinese here. I took over the shop in 2004, and haven't decided to move out of it because we have some very loyal customer base here, and we enjoy servicing them. One of the funniest answer I give a lot of people is like, do you love to make croissants or bread or pastry? And technically speaking, I would say no, because there's a lot of work. But I love the instant gratification of my customer base, my friends and family saying, oh, I just had one of the best this and that baked goods, so I could not get enough of those praises. So I say, okay, I'm going to keep doing it.
Please keep doing it, because you've got another loyal customer right here. I cannot wait. This smells ridiculous, guys. You got to come check this out. Thanks for sharing.
Thank you.
So Peter, what's your favorite thing about being a part of the Buena Park Uptown community?
Oh, well, that's exactly what I'm trying to say, is that I am part of the member here in the Southeast Asian community, which is very special. We get to promote ourselves, promote our heritage, keeping everything kind of alive and connected. So that's why I keep loving being here in the neighborhood.
Makes total sense. What are your top recommendations for people to go, see, or do in our area?
Well, we are lakeshore bound, so technically the lake is the top attraction. We have a couple beaches nearby, and obviously great eat around Argyle. There are still some very decent Chinese Asian grocery store to choose from as well.
And there's M Rice and Beyond. Our good friend has great food there.
I'm sure there are many other. I will point out high-end 777-888. They're all by the numbers, by the way, so it's okay.
Yeah.
They have tons of great food here in around me. And so I'm really happy to be among one of them nearby here.
Hi, Do. Thank you for sharing.
Thank you, thank you.
Peter, very curious, if you had one superpower, what would it be?
Oh, if I have one superpower to choose from, I would have that way to predict how many customers want my croissant for that day, so I can make just the amount to make them happy. Because otherwise they're sold out. Sorry, can't serve you anymore. So that doesn't make them happy. So I want everybody to be happy when they come into my shop.
That's a very happy and thoughtful superpower.
Thank you.
Thanks for sharing.
Thank you.
So Peter, last question. When are you open?
We open at 8 a.m. To 6 p.m. Wednesday through Sunday. We are off Monday and Tuesday. And we'd like to service everybody anytime when they are here. And, you know, that's all I gotta say. I need my superpower.
Make sure to check out their website, guys, and check them out on social media as well.
Yes.
Thank you for joining us for our local business spotlight in December. And Peter, thank you for joining us. I'm so proud of you and your family for so many years in our community.
Thank you.
Our pleasure. So stay tuned. We've got more information coming your way, more videos, more content. We're so proud to be your real estate broker and also your knowledge broker. Thank you to Quality Home Images for filming all of our video shoots. Stay tuned, be safe, be well, make it a great day, everybody.
Happy holiday.
We're joined by Blow, blow! I don't know what they said. Spicy pork bun, cannoli. It's okay.